Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. One of the things I've really been missing is doing the book unboxing. This is one of the videos that I love to make. I love books, and I know you all love books, and we like to always learn more. Been a little busy with da'wah, and alhamdulillah, a lot of people taking shahada even on the internet or in person, and trying to help them get stabilized in Islam and all of that. But we're back with some unboxings, openings, inshallah you'll love. This is one that a brother sent me from Canada, and we'll tell you what his name is. It's secret right now, but once we open it, you'll figure it out. I've really been looking forward to this, and may Allah reward him for the good he does. He's somebody who supported the da'wah and has been doing the da'wah and standing on the Quran and Sunnah and the right aqidah for a long time. May Allah preserve him and protect him. And he sent me this, and he sent me a whole box, and I just haven't had the time, but now we're gonna do it. Bismillah. All right. Let's go. All right. Pretty short. Sure I don't cut myself. Or more importantly, don't cut the book. All right. This is the book. Let me put this away before I hurt myself. There we go. This is the False Caliphate by our brother Wasim Ismail. Brother Wasim Ismail, mashallah, that's the brother. He's in Canada. He's a strong da'i. Mashallah, he has been defending the right aqidah and refuting false aqaid and things online and in person. May Allah reward him and preserve him. And alhamdulillah, the forward is by Dr. Sheikh Bilal Phillips and Sheikh Abu Sama Zahabi. The False Caliphate, this is a critical analysis of Hizb ut-Tahrir, their political and creedal views. And it does contain many testimonies from those that used to go with this group. I know everybody in the Ummah today wants to bring the Khilafah back. And alhamdulillah, we all want the Muslims to be united under one hand and to be upon the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and to govern by the Sharia and be united to have a homeland for the Muslims, to defend our values and to protect Muslims in every part of the world. But you have a way to get there, and that has to be the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When people like Hizb ut-Tahrir and other groups start to corrupt the aqaid, the creedal views, right? When they start to reject, for example, ahad hadith, or they start to reject certain things like the adab of qabr, or make statements like there is no Jum'ah until you have a Khalifa and things like this, then it shows that this path is not going to get to that goal. And a lot of their political and creedal issues have been pointed out. Alhamdulillah, as I had a whole box of these, I opened this and I went through much of it in Ramadan, and I find it to be very beneficial. It's published by Ironheart Publishing. You can go to ironheartpublishing.com, and inshallah you can order your copy there. Once again, our brother Wasim Ismail, False Caliphate, a political analysis of Hizb ut-Tahrir, political and creedal views with testimonies from renowned former members. Jazakumullahu khairan.